Welcome to this short video introducing the Patterns user interface, a small tool for exploring a knowledge graph of tunes, tune families and patterns. Patterns UI is part of the Polyphonia project. And you can visit the Patterns UI and use it at this URL. Here we're searching by tune title. It's fuzzy search. We get some titles and we also get some metadata. We can search by pattern instead. Here we're typing in diatonic scale degrees and we get some matches. We can do advanced search, which allows search by title, pattern, key, as here we're searching for minor keys, and we can search by tune type, time signature and so on. Again, we're using diatonic scale degrees for the pattern. And we get some matches. We can double click one of the matches to enter into that result. We're in the composition page for that search result. We'll see there's some metadata, including a tune family here. And on the left are the patterns contained in that tune. There are quite a few patterns. Some of them are trivial, which can be excluded using this tick box. We'll see an example in a while. Now we can navigate in the network of tunes and patterns. We can hover over nodes and click them. These black nodes are the pattern nodes. The coloured nodes are tune nodes. Here we'll double click on a pattern to see other tunes that contain the same pattern. We can rearrange the graph as needed. We can also double click a tune node to reveal other patterns that are contained in it. These are shown in a new panel in the middle of the page as shown here. We can also go into a pattern page like this one. This shows what are the tunes containing this pattern, and it allows us to listen to the pattern. This is a trivial pattern, so let's listen to another one. Going back to the network visualization, we can expand nodes and explore further by clicking and see more of the network in this way. This visualization shows both the tunes and the patterns, but we can focus on just the tunes. The patterns which link them are now hidden. The colours here indicate tune families. Tune families are an important part of musicology of traditional music. The family of the current tune is indicated in the top left. And we can click that to enter into the tune family page. We see many examples of the same tune title. Those are variants. Many pages have a cite button which allows to export a useful URL. That's all for this short video. Patterns UI was created by Rory Sweeney at the University of Galway, working with Pushkar Jajoria and James McDermott, building on work by Danny Diamond and Mathieu. To read more, see these URLs.